Ever found yourself picking up your phone just to check one notification, and suddenly, 30 minutes are gone? Social media is designed to distract us. But don't worry, I have 7 powerful tips to help you stay focused and study smarter. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Use app blockers and focus mode. Block distractions before they block your productivity. Use apps to block social media during study hours. If you are using a phone, enable focus mode on Android or screen time on iOS. These tools will help you stay on track. Tip 2. Follow the 20-second rule. Make distractions harder to access. Studies show that if something takes 20 extra seconds to reach, we are less likely to do it. So, keep your phone in another room or inside a locked drawer while studying. Out of sight, out of mind. Tip 3. Try the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This keeps your brain fresh and reduces the urge to check your phone. Tip 4. Track your screen time. Sometimes, we don't even realize how much time we waste. Check your daily screen time on your phone and set limits. Challenge yourself to reduce social media usage by 30 minutes each day. Tip 5. Reward yourself. Turn social media into a reward. Tell yourself, after finishing this chapter, I'll scroll Instagram for 10 minutes. This way, you stay motivated and in control of your time. Tip 6. Replace social media with productive breaks. Instead of checking social media, try stretching, meditating, or taking a short walk. This refreshes your mind without trapping you in an endless scroll. Tip 7. Create a distraction-free study space. Your environment affects your focus. Set up a distraction-free study space with only the essentials, books, notes, and a water bottle. Keep your phone away to stay 100% focused. Now it's your turn. Try these tips and tell me in the comments which one helped you the most. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more study motivation. Let's beat distractions together.